In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop loss in Binance spot trading using the Binance Mobile App. This is a crucial skill for managing risk and protecting your investments. Let's get started on making your trading safer and more efficient. First, you'll want to open up your Binance Mobile App. If it's your first time using Binance, ensure you've downloaded the latest version to avoid any interface discrepancies. Once inside your app, look towards the bottom of your screen for the trade option. Tap on that and you'll be offered a choice between different trading options. In this scenario, you're going to pick spot trading. This is where you can buy and sell actual cryptocurrency. Now that you're in spot trading mode, your next move is to select a trading pair. Let's say you own Bitcoin and you want to sell it if the price falls to a certain level to avoid too much loss. Tap on the trading pair section, typically located at the top of your screen, and choose your specific pair like BTC USDT for example. Selecting the right pair is crucial because it directs your trades to the appropriate markets. After selecting your desired trading pair, the next step is a key one. Tap on the order type, which for our purposes will be the stop limit order. The stop limit order is particularly useful because it allows you to set a trigger price and a limit price. When the trigger price is reached, the order becomes a limit order to sell at the limit price, or better, thereby limiting potential losses. Now here's where you'll get into the specifics of your order. First, set your stop price. This is your trigger point, the price at which the stop limit order is activated. Next, set the limit price, which is your actual selling price. Often this will be the same as your stop price, but setting it slightly lower can increase the chances of your order being filled. After that, input the amount of the asset you wish to sell. It's important to consider how much you're willing to sell should the market move against you. Once you've set these details, double check everything to ensure your values are correct. Now it's time to tap sell to place your order. This action will submit your stop limit order to the market. Your order will remain active and become executable only if the market price hits your set stop price. That's it. You've successfully set a stop loss order using the Binance Mobile App for spot trading. Remember, regularly reviewing and adjusting your stop loss orders can mitigate risk and safeguard your investments. Hopefully this has made the process a little bit easier and less daunting for you. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful trading tips. Thank you for watching and happy trading.